welcome to the official sashing and welcome ceremony of the Ginoong Pilipinas 2024. I am Lars Kent Austin, your host for tonight, and the reigning Ginoong Pilipinas 2023. A round of applause, please. Yes, so to officially start, may I call on Mr. Manuel Hinabe, CEO of Origin Entertainment Ventures, for his welcome address.
Alright, thank you very much, Lars, for that introduction. Well, so this is my welcome message to all of you. Dear contestants, or candidates, welcome to the 4th edition of Ginoong Pilipinas in the bustling metropolis of Makati City. We are genuinely excited to have you as our participants in this event, eagerly anticipating an extraordinary competition ahead. Throughout this remarkable journey, you'll have the chance to exhibit your distinct talents and individuality. You'll forge new connections, cultivate friendships, and craft enduring memories. We urge you to embrace this opportunity with open hearts, positivity, and a strong commitment to giving your utmost best. As ambassadors of your respective provinces and cities, you'll have the platform to spotlight your culture, heritage, and principles. This pageant isn't merely about celebrating physical beauty. It's also a forum for fostering goodwill, fostering unity, and advocating social responsibility. In our view, each contestant embodies the spirit of a champion. That's why you guys are here. Because in your respective places, you are the champion. And we trust that you'll depart from this experience with memories, lasting friendships, and enriched perspectives. Wishing you the very best of luck and eagerly anticipating witnessing your brilliance graced on stage. Congratulations for being part of the audience.
Thank you, Mr. Hinabe, for that very inspirational message. I can't believe it's been a year since I last competed, Ginoong Pilipinas. And speaking of me competing, I would like to call on my dear friend, Mr. Chang, Mr. Universe Tourism 2024, the grand winner. We competed in Bali, Indonesia last March. So please introduce yourself.
Sure. Hi guys, I'm Chen from Taiwan, Mr. Universe Tourism 2024 winner. So it's my first time being in the Philippines, so I can't wait to see you guys in continuous activity. So stay tuned, enjoy your time.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kang. Since you mentioned it's your first time here in the Philippines, how was it so far? How was your stay, your first night?
Okay, my first line, actually just like weather because it's more cooler than Taiwan. So maybe so far I would like to stay in here. Yes, but I can't wait to see like patient and lovely emotion from Filipinos. So it's all on you guys, okay?
Yes, good luck everyone. So, thank you, Mr. Chen, but I would like for you to stay and do the honors as we do the sashing for each candidate. You'll having the honors of putting on their sashes as we call on the cities one by one and their designated provinces. So, okay, so should we start now? Okay. Our first candidate is Mr. Baguio. Let's give him a big hand. Ginoong Baguio. Thank you, Ginoong Baguio. Next, we have Ginoong Bohol. Okay, thank you very much, Ginoong Bohol. Now we have Ginoong Bukidnon. Province. Thank you, Ginoong Cagayan Province. Now we have Ginoong Catanduanes. Thank you, Ginoong Catanduanes. Now we have Ginoong Cebu. Thank you, Ginoong Cebu. Next, we have Ginoong Davao Region. Thank you, Ginoong Davao Region. Next, we have Ginoong Limamaynan City. Ginoong Limamaynan City. Next, we have Ginoong Laguna. Thank you, Ginoong. Next, we have Ginoong Lanao del Norte. Thank you very much. Next, we have Ginoong Las Piñas. Thank you, Ginoong Las Piñas. Number is Ginoong Malaybalay City. Thank you, Ginoong Malaybalay City. Next, we have Ginoong Misamis Oriental. Thank you very much. Next, we have Ginoong Nueva Vizcaya. Thank you very much, Ginoong Nueva Vizcaya. Next, we have Ginoong Oriental Mindoro. Thank you, Ginoong Oriental Mindoro. Good luck. Next, we have Ginoong Pampanga. Ginoong Pampanga, good luck. Next, we have Ginoong Parañaque. Thank you, Ginoong Parañaque. And may I request everyone to please join us here on stage for a photo opportunity. Yeah, this one.
let's do one by order. And then, siguro some people could stay in front, from Baguio to Davao. Come on, front, and then you guys go like that.
Window.
Window na.
Okay.